जो मैं हमेशा खा सकूं और बोर नहीं हूँ, तो आई थिंक वो पानी पूरी है, बिकॉज आई कैन ईट पानी पूरी एवरी डे. आई एम सेइंग, कैन यू यूज द वर्ड बीफ वेयर आई यूज द वर्ड. जिनके लिए मैं इम्पोर्टेंट होंगी उनके लिए मेरा पेट भी इम्पोर्टेंट होगा, राइट? अगर वो मेरे पेट के साथ बैड बिहेवियर करे तो सॉरी सॉरी बॉस, यू हैव नो स्पेस इन माय लाइफ. तुमने तो जी है अपनी लाइफ. या बिकॉज आई रियली वांट टू.
तो मैं कुछ सवाल पूछूंगी आपसे, एक छोटा सा गेम खेलते हैं. फिलहाल तो हमारा स्टूडियो नहीं है, शूट्स कर नहीं सकते, प्राइवेट ऑफिसेज बंद है, तो आपका हॉट सीट फिलहाल आपका घर है, जहां आप सबसे ज्यादा कंफर्टेबल भी हैं, और सारे सवाल के आपको जवाब ईमानदारी से देने हैं. ठीक है? शैल वी बिगिन?
या.
ओके. सिटी ब्रेक और बीच अवे गेट अवे?
बीच अवे. गेट अवे मतलब बीच गेट अवे. बीचेस पसंद है, माउंटेन्स भी पसंद है, बट आई प्रेफर बीचेस.
ओके. डेनिम और लेदर?
Denim. Leather is so uncomfortable sometimes, especially in summers. Ask me. I've done some fashion blunders. So yeah.
Okay. What item you wouldn't leave your house without?
I think my identity card. That's the most important thing.
Okay.
And of course some cash in my purse. Basically purse जिसमें थोड़ा सा मेकअप का सामान हो, and ID is must and money is must. Yeah. Very basic.
What is the most coolest thing in your room?
In my room, the coolest thing, me.
Oh, yeah, true.
I make it cool. Just kidding.
Okay. Which is your least favorite app?
Least favorite app? Oh, I don't know. सारे app पसंद है मुझे, but least favorite, I don't keep them on the phone now. I keep only favorite apps.
Okay, so what are your favorite apps then?
My favorite app is Netflix, then Instagram, then WhatsApp. Yeah, basically Instagram and Netflix. I can't live without these two. WhatsApp तो चलो एक बार के लिए. Yeah.
But how? Like, I think the most used app is WhatsApp. Don't you think? Because every time that you need to make a conversation with someone, that is where you go.
Yeah. Yeah, but see, I hate typing much. I hate typing much. So you know, if I want to talk to someone, I just call them.
Same. I hate texting.
Yeah.
Okay.
At the max, I use WhatsApp for like just know that if that person is available and can I make a call. That's it.
Okay. What is your most used emoji?
I think most used emoji is like smiling one most of the time, or maybe or maybe a heart, smiley with the heart eyes.
Okay. Who is the one male actor you wish to work with?
In TV, I think I would like to work.
The Bollywood industry as well.
In TV, I would like to work with Shivan. And of course there are many other actors, but in Bollywood so there's a long list. किन के नाम लूं मैं? Yeah.
अच्छा, what would you advise your 15-year-old self? अगर आपको अभी कोई नसीहत देनी हो अपने 15 साल को, तो आप क्या देंगी?
You know, live every moment. You never know. Live every moment. Don't think about anything, what people will think. You know, just follow your heart and your conscience. Know what is right and wrong. Follow your heart and then just go for it. Don't think what people will think.
And what if Kaveri was 15? Was Kaveri when she was 15? What would she think मतलब चीजों को करने से
अगर मैं होती
और
तो नो आई गेस अभी मैं अगर 15 की होती
15 की थी जी
आई वाज मैं सच बताऊं तो मैं ऐसी हूँ यार आई थिंक आई हैवंट ग्रोन अप बट या आई हैड experience of 10 years more so that has overall enhanced my personality or added bits of my experiences into my personality. That's it. Otherwise I think I'm like sort of same only. Earlier also I used to follow just live, make friends, laugh, eat what you want to eat, go out and do things for your loved ones. But yeah, one thing which I regret is like I wish I knew that I mean मेरे पास और कोई option नहीं होता just to be an actor, like apart from being an actor, because that time क्या होता है ना, बच्चों के पास बहुत सारा options होता है, डॉक्टर, इंजीनियर, फैमिली प्रेशर अलग होता है कि डॉक्टर इंजीनियर बनो या do something in academics. बट अगर मुझे तब पता होता कि I was like so sure about कि मुझे एक्टर ही बनना है, then I think things would have been much different. I feel, but I guess there's never too late. ये मैं अपने आप को समझाने के लिए कहती रहती हूँ, never too late.
It is actually never too late.
Okay. It's actually
what
never
is the sexiest? Yes. What is the sexiest accent for you?
What is the sexiest
accent for you?
Accent. I think I love if you talk about language, so I would say I really love when someone speaks Espanol. I think I really the way with the grace they say that language, I really love it. So I think that's the sexiest for me.
Which language?
Spanish. Espanol.
Spanish. Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. What beauty product you cannot live without?
What beauty products I cannot live without? I think lip gloss. Lip gloss is must. And earlier it was kajal, but now I think I can do without it. So I guess lip gloss is must. Yeah.
Okay.
In my makeup. Sometimes I just put lip gloss and lip gloss here, lip gloss here. I'm very sure.
Okay, you know how कि एक lip gloss को ही कैसे पूरा makeup बनाना है?
Yeah, lip gloss, lip tint, anything. Lip tint, lip gloss, anything.
Okay.
You do, yeah.
Okay. Okay. What is that one favorite food of yours which you could eat forever?
Forever as in जो मैं हमेशा खा सकूं और बोर नहीं हूँ, तो I think वो पानी पूरी है, because I can eat पानी पूरी every day. And apart from that, there's dahi vada, which I love. Yeah, all chatpata items. I love masala dosa also and biryani also. But if I say something which I cannot live without, then I guess it will be pani puri, golgappe.
What is your favorite? Do you use Snapchat?
No.
No.
I know it's a lovely app, but I unfortunately don't do Snapchat.
Okay. What was the last thing you spent a lot on?
My purse. Yeah.
Okay. What is the most embarrassing thing that happened to you on set?
Most embarrassing thing that happened to me on set? Yeah, something happened. Someone farted on the set and they blamed it on me. But I did that. So everybody started laughing, even the unit, thinking that it was me, but it wasn't me.
Okay, that is the most embarrassing thing, I believe.
Yeah.
And this is so wrong. Yeah. Whoever did this.
Yeah.
Right? This is something very wrong. Okay. Okay, moving ahead.
So the beep there.
Go ahead, Kaveri.
I'm thinking you use the word beep where I've used the word.
Okay, I'll just ask my editor that and then we can do that. Okay,
Sure.
moving on. What would you do if somebody is mean to your pet? Do you have a pet? Do you own one?
I have lovebirds at my place.
Okay.
If somebody did mean to my something mean to my pet, I think I will never talk to that person again.
Okay. बहुत are you
बहुत
serious?
ज़्यादा attachment. Yeah, I'm serious. Yeah.
Okay.
Because I know if someone will be close to me, they'll never be mean to my pet. You know, जिनके लिए मैं important होंगी, उनके लिए मेरा pet भी important होगा, right? अगर वो मेरे pet के साथ bad behavior करे, so sorry boss, you have no space in my life.
Yeah. Okay. What would you do if you got stood up on a date? Have you ever got stood up on a date? Like, has that ever happened?
Forget about date. I always get stood up at shoots. You know, always my co-actors come so late and I'm the one. मतलब मैं 1 घंटे पहले आके रेडी रहती हूँ, उसके बाद मैं 2 घंटे वेट करती हूँ, उसके बाद सेट पे भी आके I have waited for like half an hour. So
okay.
Yeah. So I'm like नहीं यार, डेट का तो मुझे पता नहीं, but usually I'm so bored of just waiting for other people.
ये रिश्ते के शूट के दौरान मतलब सबसे ज्यादा अगर सेट पे कोई लेट आता था तो कौन होता था? सबसे ज्यादा टाइम किसको लगता था सेट पे आने में?
यार मुझे ये नहीं पता कि सबसे ज्यादा टाइम किसको लगता था, बट मेरे को ये पता था कि जब मेरा और ऋत्विक का सीन होता था तो मैं हमेशा पहले आती थी और ऋत्विक बाद में आता था. So I used to keep waiting.
Okay. तो अगर
शायद मैं बहुत पहले आ जाती थी. I'm not blaming it on him, but शायद मैं ही बहुत पहले आ जाती थी. So usually guys don't expect the girls to be ready so quickly, but मुझे बहुत कम टाइम लगता है मेकअप करने में, hardly 10 minutes or 15 minutes max. If it's not a something celebration sort of scene ना हो तो. But yeah, I think that could have been one of the reasons.
Okay. What would you do if your significant other doesn't get along with your sister and brother?
Oh, I'll try to convince them, yaar. I'll send them on dates. It's like मेरे साथ date बाद में जाना. First go on date with my brothers.
Okay,
spend
that's
time.
Nice.
I'll try to convince my brother or the other person. Show them their good qualities. That's what I do, and I've done it also in the past.
Okay. What would you buy if you win a lottery?
What will I buy? First of all, पहले तो I'll buy a house in Mumbai. If I win a big lottery, then a house somewhere in Maldives or some exotic country where there's a lot of water and mountains everywhere and it's quiet. I think that is what I'm gonna do first.
Okay. What turns you on?
What turns me on? I guess chivalry turns me on, like genuine chivalry, not the show-off one. Then basically respect more than chivalry. I would say being truly respectful towards a woman, be it with me or with everyone, like all the women. And the way they carry themselves and present themselves, the way they speak, maybe that is another thing. And the talent. Okay. Yeah, how talented they are.
Okay, and what turns you off?
What turns me off? Just the opposite of what I said. Yeah.
I could see that coming though. Okay, what profession would you never want to do?
Never want to do?
Yes.
Maybe marketing. Someone in marketing, because I'm very bad at negotiation. Yeah, so I guess that is which I'm not good at. So I would not like to do that.
Okay. Who is your favorite woman in your life? Who's the one woman that you love? Mother.
One woman that I love. This is pretty simple. See, अगर घर की बात करें तो obviously my mom, but women in general have been very, very inspirational for me because I follow a lot of them. I mean, I follow Oprah. I have been inspired by Jennifer Lopez. I've been inspired by so many other women, yeah, so many, countless women, you know.
Okay. If the world was if the whole world was listening, what would you say?
Be kind, be generous to people, because kindness is something which is very rare these days, and I really look forward to people who are kind, you know, yeah, who are kind. So be kind. You never know what the other person is going through. So always be kind and considerate.
Okay. If you could date a celebrity, who would it be?
I think Ishan Khattar or Siddharth Chaturvedi. Siddhant Chaturvedi, yeah. Siddhant Chaturvedi. Not Siddharth.
Nice.
Siddhant,
okay.
Right?
Siddhant. Okay. What is the last thing you do before going to bed? Brush your teeth.
Before going to bed, the last thing which I do is, I put my earphones and I listen to some motivational video or some positive sort of a video on YouTube, and then I go off to sleep.
Okay. What do you want God to say when you arrive at heaven?
Oh, अच्छा. तुमने तो जी है अपनी life. Yeah, because I really want to live it to the fullest. So भगवान भी तो बोला तुम तो पूरा जी के आई हो.
Okay, would you किस तरह के इंसान हैं आप? जैसे आपने कहा that you want to live your life to the fullest. So, are you someone who actually is living to the fullest, or just pretending to be living to the fullest, or there's what exactly? How are you? Do you enjoy every part, every moment of your life? Because I know there are ups and downs everywhere, all of us.
Yeah.
How do you tackle it? Do you actually keep smiling with holding that in your heart, or you just let it go?
See, I try to, but there are times when I don't feel that upbeat, or something which I want is not turning out to be that way. So obviously it makes you a little bit upset, but then life is all about that. That is how I convince myself. It's not, I want to live my life to the fullest, but there are ups and downs, and life is made out of, everything, good and the bad. So I take things like that. I convince myself thinking that, but obviously the aim of living the life to the fullest never blurs out, it just stays there, and aim is that, but obviously ups and downs to hote hain. So I just convince myself and then keep moving forward with a smile on my face. Yeah. And I also tell this that everything happens for a reason. A plan, they say that God has bigger plans for you than you yourself. So I think.
So do you believe in that? Like wholeheartedly?
Yeah, definitely.
Wholeheartedly. Okay.
Yes, because that time you have no option. You have no other option but to think that, and you can say faith in something bigger.
जब कावेरी, जब फेथ डगमगाता है, जब वो डगमगाती है, तो फिर कौन वो शख्स है आपकी जिंदगी में जो कि आपको आपकी हिम्मत, हौसला अफजाई करता है, या फिर आपको मोटिवेट करता है? Apart from watching the motivational videos, I know that there are a lot of people, but one person who is in your life
if we talk about person, so obviously my parents, my brother, they've always supported me since the very beginning. So mere sare lows mein, my mom is always there with me. So that is there. And then apart from that, some very good friends that I've made in my life, जिनसे मैं शायद रोज बात ना करूं या महीनों महीनों तक बात ना करूं, मैं उनको फोन करूंगी तो they'll have that time and energy and everything to listen to me and motivate me and send me stuff through which I can get motivated if they don't have time. So yeah, it's like that.
Okay, how important do you think friends are? Because I somewhere down the lane, अगर हर की जिंदगी उठा के देखी जाए तो कहीं ना कहीं एक बार के लिए फैमिली भी बहुत सारे लोगों की सपोर्ट नहीं करती है, या देयर आर थिंग्स दैट यू कैन नॉट शेयर विद योर फैमिली और दे माइट नॉट अंडरस्टैंड. लेकिन फ्रेंड्स, हाउ वाइटल यू थिंक दे आर इन आवर लाइफ?
Exactly, you answered my question. I mean, you answered your question. So basically, yes, every time everybody is not going to be there or understand you the way you think that they should, like your parents especially, because there is generational gap, a lot of gaps in thoughts, maybe in any which way, or ideology, or could be anything. But friends are the only ones who don't judge you. Whatever you do, they tell you. Obviously good friends tell you what is wrong, what is right. They're always like a guiding path to you. And but I think बाकी कोई हो ना हो, friends तो होते ही हैं who are going to not judge you, whatever you do, whatever you say, and they'll show you the right path at the same time. So I think friends.
इस इंडस्ट्री की, अगर इस इंडस्ट्री की बात की जाए तो कावेरी, बहुत सारे रियलिटी शोज हैं, टीवी शोज तो हैं ही, ओपेराज आर देयर ऑलवेज. लेकिन डू यू वांट टू डू अ रियलिटी शो? बिकॉज कहीं ना कहीं आप जब एक रियलिटी शो में जाते हो तो आपको एक अलग नजरिए से लोग देखते हैं, आपको और ज्यादा प्यार मिलता है. हैव यू एवर थॉट ऑफ गोइंग टू अ रियलिटी शो इन फ्यू इयर्स?
गिवन इट अ थॉट, टू बी फ्रैंक, क्योंकि जब मैं देखती हूँ मैं सोचती हूँ कि अगर मैं रहती तो मैं कैसे रिएक्ट करती, या अगर मैं फेयर फैक्टर देखती हूँ फॉर एग्जांपल, तो मैं सोचती हूँ अगर मैं उस जगह होती तो वुड हैव बीन एबल टू डू दैट जॉब which has been assigned, or किसी चीज वियर्ड चीज को खाना होता है, तो आई एम लाइक मैं करती या नहीं करती, बिकॉज आई वांट टू नो कि जब मैं वहां हूँ तो मैं कैसे रिएक्ट करूंगी. लॉट ऑफ पीपल बैक आउट, लॉट ऑफ पीपल they face it and they go through it. So I really want to know कि मैं क्या करूंगी उस टाइम. So for that reason I want to be a part of a reality show, to be frank.
Okay, Big Boss?
See, Big Boss brings out a lot of emotions in you. I mean, जो शायद आपने सोचा भी नहीं हो कि आप कैसे हो, या वो
various shades of your emotions. Yes.
Yeah,
yes.
Shades of your emotion, your personality, and the worst thing is everybody is watching.
And you won't get pani puri. Kavil, you might not get pani puri over there. So yeah. Maybe you have to make on your own. But
it's a big thing, yaar. Big Boss में जाना is not easy. Yeah. Big Boss में रहना उस घर में is not easy. You're away from your family, not even allowed to speak to them. I mean, अगर you are having an emotional breakdown, you have nobody. Example मैं बता रही हूँ. And suppose everyone is your enemy, how would you deal in that situation? I mean, it's difficult. सोच के भी लगता है. But hats off to whoever go and do their best, and whoever the winners are, really congratulations guys.
Okay, बहुत सारे म्यूजिक वीडियोस का एक दौर चल रहा है फिलहाल. कुछ गाने आए, जैसे मर जाने आया जिसमें रुबीना और अभिनव हैं, तेरा सूट आया, फिर पारस और रुबीना का वापस से एक गाना आया. तो कौन सा अभी तक का आपका फेवरेट सॉन्ग रहा है अगर पूछा जाए?
अभी इमरान हाशमी एंड द न्यू गर्ल लुट गए. Yes, that's one of my favorites.
Okay, और बी पराग का भी जो आया ना उनके साथ, नवाजुद्दीन के साथ, उसके बारे में क्या कहना चाहेंगे? बारिश की जाए.
हाँ, मैंने देखा है. हाँ देखा है, but I like the song. It's nice.
Okay, but you like Lut Gaye more.
Imran Hashmi कैसा लगता है? I love Imran. I love him as an actor. I mean, I don't know why, but he's very good.
No,
I'm so glad he came back.
Yeah, actually, and he is very versatile. So बहुत सारे लोगों को अभी भी somehow I feel there are actors who are underrated even now.
Yeah.
Many of us feel that, and I feel somehow Imran Hashmi has that capacity. He is that versatile. Don't you think so? Like अगर आप आवारापन उठा के देखें, उनकी जितनी भी movies, romantic हो या जो भी हो,
thriller हो या कुछ भी हो, exactly, he just fits and gels in so well in all the character, and without doing much, he's so subtle, and I want to act with him. Yeah, definitely I want to act with him someday.
Okay, last I will just ask you कि आपने जो you know ऋत्विक, शहीर और इनके साथ जो काम किया है, तो कैसा एक्सपीरियंस रहा है
ओवरऑल एक्सपीरियंस तो बहुत ही अच्छा रहा है, बहुत अच्छा. You know, they still are my best buddies. ऋत्विक, शहीर, सबसे मेरी बात होती रहती है, and they just so chilled out and cool guys यार. Miss those times जब मैं शूट करती थी उन लोगों के साथ. I hope you guys are watching. Please miss me too. As much as I miss you guys. Okay.
जाते जाते कावेरी फैंस को क्या कहना चाहेंगी?
They've all been so supportive यार. मतलब मैंने कोई भी कैरेक्टर किया है, जितने भी कैरेक्टर्स किए हैं, नेगेटिव, पॉजिटिव, they've always loved me. They love me as who. I mean, they've loved all my life. Thank you so much for supporting. मुझे तो यकीन नहीं होता है कि फैंस इतने डेडिकेटेड हो सकते हैं. And you know, the best thing is the VMs, the edits which they make are so beautiful. And कभी-कभी तो मैं उसके कैप्शन पढ़ के हैरान रह जाती हूँ कि you know, they've read this character with such depth. You know, so sometimes you know, I used to do that. जब मुझे कोई emotion derive भी करना था, sometimes मैं वो उनके राइटअप ही पढ़ लेती थी, तो मेरे को वापस से उस कैरेक्टर में आने के लिए you know, बहुत हेल्प हो जाती थी. So I'm so grateful to you guys for always being there for me, and I love you all from the bottom of my heart.
Thank you so much, Kaveri. Wonderful talking to you. Hope to see you soon.
Yeah, I enjoyed this session. Tell me, मतलब you have asked me some really good questions. Thank you so much for asking such questions.
Thank you so much, Kaveri. It has always been a pleasure talking to you, be it on set. ये पहली बार है that I'm interviewing you over you know, a call maybe. But you have always been wonderful, and it's just not me who is saying that, but I think you know it. कि every reporter who came to ये रिश्ते always loved you, and all your co-actors, but you were always mine special and many others special. जहाँ तक मुझे पता.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I love you all too. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Kaveri.
It was lovely talking to you. Trust me, it was lovely talking to you. Thank God we connected.
Lovely talking to you.
And we should catch up.
I'll just tell you one thing. Since you are a Pani Puri fan, you must go to Kolkata. I am from Kolkata, and every food that you mentioned, all are my favorite. Even I am a junk person. I stay alone in Mumbai. And honestly, Mumbai ki Pani Puris are different from Kolkata. है ना? तो
yeah.
Try kare. Since you love spicy and you love chatpata food, I'm sure you're gonna love it.
I have tried, and I know how big they are. I mean, वो मुँह में ही नहीं जाते. I don't know how lucky taste होता है. And pani is like so खट्टा.
If you want, यहाँ पे जुहू में तिवारी है. वो देता है, वो फुचका बोलते हैं उसको. पानी पूरी अलग है और फुचका अलग है. वो फुचका देता है. You can go and try. It's very very similar to how Kolkata people make. Juhu Tiwari. Yes. Juhu Tiwari. Let me know. I'll come. मैं भी आ जाऊँगी इधर. Okay.
I'll give you a call definitely.
Okay. Thank you so much, Kaveri. Hope to see you soon.
Thank you so much.
And take care. क्योंकि time कम हो रहा है. चलो bye.